Hello everyone. In this video I would like to show you one of the features which is available in CREO FEM, and with this possibility we can split a specific area from a geometry or from a model, and we can do an extra stress or a strain analysis in this area. The model that we have here is like a tube, and regarding the features of FEM, I have defined the fixed constraint here in this area, and then I have applied a pressure in this area, and the amount of this pressure is 200 kilopascal. The material of this geometry is aluminum. After running the model, yes, the running is completed now, and then we can see the result of the simulation. Yes. As you can see, we have the lower values of stress here, and then it gradually increases, and we have the higher values of stress here when we are getting close to this fixed area. But what about the stress concentration? Here, as you can see in this knee region, we can see that we have a stress concentration in this turning point here. Okay, let's say we want to do an extra stress or a strain analysis specifically in this area, because we could understand from this simulation that here that's critical area, so we want to do an extra analysis here. But how we can split a specific region from this geometry? To do that, we need to go to refine model, and then we have to define a specific region here by one of these possibilities that we have here. For example, I can select extrude, and like the normal extrude feature that we have in the CAD environment of the CREO, we can do the same here. We have to define a plane, and then our references. I select two other planes as the reference. And as I told you, I want to split this area. So I can define a rectangle here. (140) and 70 here. This can be 100, and probably 50 is okay. Or we can increase this length, so it can be 120. So this is the area that our split region will cover. Okay. And then we can define the length of this extrusion. For example, 200. So we have defined a cubic shape here, and the length of this cubic shape is 200. And the concept here is that the overlap area of this cubic shape or this extrusion with this geometry, with the main geometry, is this split area. Now I have to run the model again. The model is running now, and now it is completed. If we go to the results, I try to open the results here. Yes. And this is the geometry. This is our whole geometry. But how I can do an extra analysis in this split area that I have created? So in the edit, display location, and here we have several possibilities. If I define a curve on my model, I have to select a curve and then I can do an extra analysis on this curve. The same for surfaces and volumes. Here we have to select volume because we have splitted a volume from our geometry. So I select volume and then here. Here, as you can see, I have to define my split region. So here you can see that when I move my cursor here, I have this possibility to select this one. And then you can see that a stress analysis or a stress distribution only in this area. So by this possibility, we are able to do an extra or additional stress analysis or a strain analysis or other parameter or other mechanical parameters in a specific region of the model which is more critical to us. Thank you.